Ready to finally get your finances organized with Clickup? In this step-by-step tutorial, you'll learn exactly how to set up your own budget tracking system using Clickup's personal budget template. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, actionable way to manage your money, keep tabs on every expense, and get real clarity on your financial situation, all inside Clickup. Let's dive right in. First, open up your Clickup workspace. This is your command center for organizing just about anything, and today we're putting it to work for your finances. So if you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do that now. Take a moment to land on your main dashboard. This is where all your projects, lists, and tasks live. Now find the space or folder where you want your budget to go. It can be helpful to keep all your financial planning in one dedicated space just to keep things organized. Next up, we're going to create a new list. In Clickup, a list is kind of like a spreadsheet or a container for related tasks, in this case, your budgeting items. To do this, simply look for the Create List button, which is usually near the top right or along the left menu depending on your layout. Click on it and give your new list a descriptive name like 2024 Family Budget or Monthly Finances. Naming things clearly now will save you hassle later, especially if you manage multiple lists. Now here, where the magic happens. Instead of building your budget tracker from scratch, we're going to use a template. Templates in Clickup are like blueprints. They come pre-configured with useful columns, fields, and formatting, so you're not starting with a blank canvas. After you hit Create List, you'll see an option to use a template instead. Select that and in the search bar, type Budget. Clickup will pull up any relevant templates, and what you're looking for is Personal Budget Template. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry. Give the search bar a second to populate or double-check your spelling. Sometimes templates get buried among others, so you might need to scroll just a bit. When you spot the personal budget template, go ahead and click Use Template. This next bit might take a few moments while Clickup sets up the template and loads all its fields and example items. You might see some sample expenses and income categories. They're all editable, so don't worry if the initial setup doesn't exactly match your life. You can always customize each item, add your real expenses, or tweak categories so everything suits you perfectly. What's great about using this template is it usually includes handy columns for amount, payment due date, notes, and status, giving you a really good overview without having to build it all yourself. Now, once the template has loaded in your workspace, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Browse through categories like monthly bills, subscriptions, one-time expenses, and income sources. Think about how these relate to your actual finances. For example, maybe you have a monthly Spotify subscription that would go in recurring expenses, or perhaps you have a yearly insurance payment. You could set that as a one-time item. The more you plug your own information into these categories, the more valuable this budgeting tool becomes. And that's it. You now have a fully functional budget tracker in Clickup created in just a few clicks. From here, you can start plugging in your numbers, monitor your spending, and truly stay in control of your finances. Remember, having clarity on your budget is the first step to financial peace of mind. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any snags. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and good luck organizing your finances in Clickup.